Staff and students of the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts have staged a protest outside the school's campus for a second day running. This following the suspension of Principal Dr. Nicolene DeGrasse Johnson by the school's board. We have more in this report. Using creative expression to make a statement, it was a protest of a different kind. In fact, if you were in the vicinity of Arthur Wint Drive in St. Andrew, you were in for a treat. Drumming, dancing, acting. But the performance here was to send a strong message that the entire school population was standing by Principal Dr. Nicolene DeGrasse Johnson. She was recently suspended by the school's board, believed to be over her handling over sexual harassment allegations. Lecturer at the institution, Owen Ellis, is of the view that the principal is being unfairly treated.
Two things must be very, very clear. We abhor and reject the idea of sexual harassment, and we want to reach out with embrace and empathy to whoever students or staff are affected by that. That's very, very clear. That don't need no question. At the same time, we are concerned about how we perceive the board has treated the principal. So some of the things that the principal hasn't been given a chance to talk at all now. She's like been silenced. She only talks when she's under hostile interrogation. She's not been able to make a statement to even challenge some of the lies, plain lies that they were put in the very, very first story.
He also defended how she handled allegations of sexual harassment.
She met with the students in different year groups, year 1, year 2, year 3, and get them a chance to talk to her. How do you feel? How does it impact? So that when someone is going to even tweet that like, the principal failed the students, not fair, as far as I'm concerned. She's not the culprit here. Some man did something wrong, deal with him. Okay, so the hearing is still in progress. So the alleged perpetrator has not yet been told with what's happening with him. But she goes, no, that don't feel fair to me. Unless somebody can explain to me why that's what is happening. We have not been told whether he's being punished or if he's even being found guilty. But the principal must go. I may not understand that.
He says teachers also received sensitization training. The vice principal is now in charge of day-to-day affairs, but there's still great uncertainty about what happens next.
This is not personal. Whatever board was in charge should have spoken to the students or had a representative speak to the students, because this is the beginning of a school year. They've paid their money to come here, and this is extremely confusing as to who will be administrating this, what has happened. It is really unfair to the customers. That's why I want to stress that. To the parents whose money has gone out.